Let's read this word together. Jet. Let's repeat it. Jet. Very good. What's the sound of letter E in jet? Good job. The sound of letter E in jet is E. Now let's read the second word. Sled. Let's repeat it. Sled. What's the sound of letter E in sled? Good job. The sound of letter E in sled is E. Now let's take a look at the third word. Let's read it together. Hen. Let's repeat it. Hen. What's the sound of letter E in hen? Good job. The sound of letter E in hen is E. And finally, let's read the last word. It's a number. What's this number? Very good. It's 10. Let's repeat it. 10. Very good. What's the sound of letter E in 10? Excellent. The sound of letter E in 10 is E. Now let's repeat these words together. Jet, sled, hen, 10. Now tell me, is the sound of letter E in these words short like egg or long like we? Excellent! The sound of letter E in these words is short like egg. Now we're going to choose a word to finish each sentence. Then we're going to circle the word, and finally we're going to write the word on the line. Let's start with the first sentence. Her sock was sled, jet, red. Which word from these three words should I circle to complete this sentence? Excellent. I should circle the word red. Now let's read the complete sentence. Her sock was red. Do not forget to write red on the line. Now let's read the second sentence. Kim has a red sled, wet. Which word should I pick from these three words to complete this sentence? Good job! I should pick the word sled. Now let's read the sentence together. Kim has a sled. Do not forget to write sled on the line. Now let's read the last sentence. Did you ride on the jet? Men or red? Which word should I pick from these three words to complete this sentence? Excellent job! I should pick the word jet. Now let's read the complete sentence together. Did you ride on the jet? Remember, you should write the word jet on the line. Now tell me, what's the sound of short E? Like wet. Very good. The sound of short E is